guys, aloha from Hawaii!
Honolulu is the state capital and largest city in Hawaii, with a population of 350,000, offering a unique combination of tropical glamour and a bustling international metropolis, where sandy beaches meet city streets. In this cosmopolitan capital city, you will find everything from historic landmarks to fine dining to world-class shopping. Home to the majority of Oahu's population, Honolulu stretches across the southeastern shores of the island from Pearl Harbor to Makapu Point, encompassing world-famous Waikiki Beach along the way.
Currently we are at Waikiki Beach and our hotel is located just a few steps away. And guys, that will be everything for today, because little traveler is so excited and happy, so we don't want to go anywhere to explore the city. We just want to stay on a beach and enjoy. But tonight we have something special, so see you later.
Daddy, catch me! Catch me! Oh my God, this is...
We have a little bit time after swimming. Little traveler is tired and sleeping, so we will take you through Waikiki and International Marketplace. And guys, look this tree. Unbelievable. International Marketplace, it's a very interesting shopping mall with many fancy stores, but still you will feel the connection between the nature and the modern.
Located on the south shore of Honolulu, the world's famous neighborhood of Waikiki was once a playground for Hawaiian royalty. Known in Hawaiian as Spouting Waters, Waikiki was introduced to the world when its first hotel, the Moana Surf Rider, was built on its shores in 1901. Today, Waikiki is Oahu's main hotel and resort area and a vibrant gathering place for visitors worldwide. Along the main strip of Kalakaua Avenue, you will find world-class shopping, dining, entertainment, activities, and resorts.
Hi.
Hello family, welcome.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank
You guys
you.
ready for the show?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, you ready to see the leads?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
At any time if you do some weird hand thing like this, you are wrong. You should never feel like you're okay? Simple on the front, pull. Okay? If you do that, it will fold the way that you need to fold the stem on the outside. You see this right here, compared to that, that's how you know you are on the right track. Okay? So once again, one finger from the front, poke the green part, it's gonna fold, grab it, and then you braid it on top, down the middle, like a regular braid. Other side, same thing, pull across the release on the right side now. Left side, one finger, exact same steps. Poke the green part from the front.
And guys, after a long day, we are going to Hawaiian Luau. So what is Luau? Luau is some kind of buffet plus show. and this is one of the most expensive buffets ever. Ticket cost $200 per person, so me and little traveler didn't eat anything last 2 days, so we are ready. And look,
And you will hear her strength and the power of her voice. This is the gorgeous
after 30 minutes and 4 courses, I'm still not full.
Aloha, well, ya'oi, that's how we say it. Hawaiian style, kaholo to the right and the left. Ha'ina means to tell your story. Place your hand at the mouth and out. Again on the other side. Turn and dip it good. Come on, I want to see nacho cheese dip and ranch dip on the other side. Very good. Show those eyes, those hands, and now some amis. Scrape those barrels. Make great big circles with those hips, my friends. We're taking it to the next level. And I love everybody. Kaholo. One more time, family. Let's pick it up a notch. Haina. Tell that story, mouthing out with those hands. You know what's next. Dip it once and dip it twice. No double dip. Eyes, hands, and a ummy. A ummy. A ummy. 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 I love it. And I love all the people. Kaholo. And at the end of our hula, we tap our shoulders and take a bow. These are not Waliafi. All 3 of your warriors. Play! Hawaiian Village!
We did have a very interesting day, guys, with a lot of fun today, and we are back to our hotel room. Check out this view of Honolulu, but in our separate video we will talk more about our resort in Waikiki. The Luau or buffet was ono, and ono in Hawaiian means delicious. Guys, in the morning we are going to visit Pearl Harbor, and I'm very excited because that is on my bucket list for a long time. So see you in the morning. So here you can come with taxi, Uber, or public transport. We choose Uber, and one way was $27, so it's not that bad, and the ride was 25 minutes from Waikiki Beach.
The Pearl Harbor Visitor Center is a free attraction at the Pearl Harbor National Memorial. It is also the getaway to the Pearl Harbor historic sites, Battleship Missouri Memorial, Pacific Fleet Submarine Museum, and the Pearl Harbor Aviation Museum. Also, you should know that the USS Oklahoma and USS Utah memorials are located on an active military base. Known as a date which will live in infamy, the devastating events of December 7, 1941, changed the course of history. It was here that a surprise air attack by the Japanese plunged the United States into World War II, claiming thousands of lives. You can hear first-hand stories from survivors describing the chaotic scene on Battleship Row. Walk through an airplane hangar that still bears the scars from that fateful morning, and peer into the shallow harbor where the sunken hulk of the USS Arizona rests, still leaking oil to the water's surface.
tickets to visit Arizona Memorial, you need to reserve well in advance and come 30 minutes before your scheduled time. And they are free. We are back to Pearl Harbor Visitor Center, and when you are visiting USS Arizona, you need to be quiet, so I didn't record any audio there. Guys, to see USS Arizona and USS Missouri, it's a magnificent experience. After we visited Pearl Harbor, the rest of the day we will be again at Waikiki Beach, because if you are at island Oahu, this is a place to be. But don't worry, we will also explore the rest of the island. The good thing about Hawaii is the ocean temperature, so year-round it's almost the same. In the winter time, maybe it will go to 24 degrees, 25. In the summer months will be maybe 29, 30. So year-round it's perfect for swimming.
Waikiki is famous for its beaches, and every hotel room is just 2 or 3 blocks away from the ocean, if it's not directly on the beach. With Mount Leahi as your backdrop, the calm waters of Waikiki are perfect for a surfing lesson. In fact, legendary Hawaiian waterman Du Kahanamoku grew up surfing the waves of Waikiki. The Du Kahanamoku statue, located on Waikiki Beach, has become an iconic symbol of Waikiki and the surf culture of Oahu.
Food prices in Hawaii are similar between the islands, and they are just a little bit more expensive than the mainland US. Currently I'm eating a meatloaf with mashed potato and corn, and the meal was $25 plus tax. At Waikiki you will find many ABC stores, and they are open 24 hours, and the prices are not that bad. I expected to be on a higher side, but they are almost similar to prices in some big major US cities. You find something?
Yes, earrings and hair tie.
How much cost?
$6.99 and this is $5.99.
Not bad. I need to take something for a snack after the dinner, and I found this chocolate covered macadamia nuts. They are very famous here, and they are not too expensive. They cost $5 each, so I will take one for tonight. Walking around Waikiki in the evening is one of our favorite things to do here. After a few days of Hawaiian food, me and little traveler are back to pizzas. This is not exactly pizza, but is flatbread. At the end of the video from Honolulu, we are going to the free Hilton Hawaiian Village fireworks show, one of the most popular things to do in Oahu. The show starts every Friday at 10 p.m. The resort opened in 1955 and has grown to become the largest in the Hilton chain of hotels. It is one of the largest hotels in the world and the largest in the US outside of Las Vegas. Here you will forget that you are right in the heart of the city. The hotel is surrounded by gardens, waterfalls, tropical flowers, 5 pools, and Waikiki's longest water slide. The resort offers travelers practically anything they might need on site, and is one of the best hotels for travelers with kids in the world. The village includes 80 shops, 18 restaurants and bars. The resort has been featured in many television shows and movies, almost always showcasing Hilton Hawaiian Village's famed Rainbow Tower, which opened in 1968, featuring the world's largest ceramic tile mosaic. Elvis even filmed the famous movie of the same name at the Hilton Hawaiian Village, while he stayed on site in the Ocean Tower. Guys, that will be everything from the Oahu, Waikiki Beach and Honolulu. Thank you for watching and see you next week when we have something special again for you. Bye and maloha from Hawaii.